part 5. I mean 6. I think 5. But following the pink sheep. Bro, I remember when I first saw pink sheep. What did you do? I killed it. You didn't know that is rare? No, I knew it was rare, but I just killed it. Why? Let's go home. But that's pink sheep. That's good. I don't care anymore. Wait lang. Ilalagyan ko siya ng little bit. Na ano. Make a hole. Why can't? Bro, come on. Let's just go home. Ikaw na nga. Let's kill the pink sheep. At least we know that there was a pink sheep. I don't know what. Okay, I'm just gonna leave and then I'm gonna join again. So that okay. I'm leaving. Then go to sleep. So that they will only be you can only sleep. Okay? Yeah. Holy skip this mob. There was a pink sheep. And then why did you kill the pink sheep? Bruh, I know, but I did for the world. Bro, pwede ko pa i-list to. Bro, it's so long. Oh wait, it's here. Nice. We need a 100 brain IQ, right? Right? Yeah. So sad that we couldn't save the pink sheep. Brown sheep. I just one shot a brown sheep. Gray sheep. Cow sheep. Hey, I can make leather boots. I didn't know. A baby pig. It's mama. It's dumb mother. It's dumb mama. And another sheep. And another sheep. Six, baby. Get poison. Bakit napupoison ako? Ading, hindi mo yun matanggal. You just wasted the food. Nagugutom na ako. I'm going back. Martin is always the thing that we get the most right. What? Martin. Martin is. Oh. What? I found the village. Oh, what? The fuck? What are you?